Hello again, I'm doing a video on Python now. The error we're talking about is actually rather trivial, but it can still be an issue if you're looking in the wrong place to fix it. It is a bit misleading, and that's why it's worth a 2-minute video. I've recently stumbled upon this myself. The syntax error unexpected EOF while parsing. EOF means end of file. If we are scripting, we often end up commenting stuff out and in again, for example in a Jupyter notebook, and commenting out a block body messes with indentation. For example, I uncomment this body and run the script, and Python has got our back. The interpreter is telling us that we messed up the indentation, expected an indentation block. So we might uncomment the whole thing, or just try it without uncommenting. However, if we're doing the same thing in our last block, we get another error. Let's try. We get a syntax error, unexpected EOF while parsing instead. That's not a very helpful error message, is it? But at least we know now that it's the exact same issue as with indentation. To avoid both types of error, you could just try the habit of writing pass just below the line you've commented out. Let me show you.